On a scary night with the full moon beaming down, two witchy gangs are racing to create a pop-mart crybaby, wild but cutie blind box.
Oh, sisters, the potion is almost ready. Yes, it worked! Now let's open it before those bunch of misfits beat us first.
I just don't understand it. How did our potion fail, and now we have no blind box to show for our troubles?
Forget the potion. I just went to our nearest Pop Mart store and brought one. Now, let's open this up.
Now that both have their wicked plushies, who will win the battle to be number one? To be continued.
Ladies, I have an announcement. One of you shall become our new Swan Queen.
Well, there's no way you're going to get the role, Nina. You have no confidence.
Nina, you're a joke wrapped in mascara, but I have something that can help you become the Swan Queen. Behold, the plush shiny. Wear this and you shall be the new star of Belly.
Finally, it's my time to shine. And with this magical cry-baby plush by my side, not only will I become the Swan Queen, I shall become the new Queen of Ballet. Watch out, world, here I come.
Oh my god, this concert is like everything. I know, right? Let's go buy some merch. Like, what should I get? What about this tee? It's cute, but I have like 100 of them. Oh, look, these blind boxes are new. What about them? Oh my god, that's the one.
Look what I got you from the supermarket. It's one of those blind boxes all the kids are talking about.
Dumb. I hate blind boxes.
Fine, I'll open it myself, you little...